Hey, we are in queue today for our installation. We're doing something slightly different today, so come check it out. Okay, so we installed this window and this window, and our client asked a special request to make their front porch. Here's how we got on. You could see the porch in the workshop before it got sprayed. It was then loaded onto the van, ready for installation.
Alex, catch this.
A few adjustments.
Bottom out.
Make sure it's level.
Yeah.
Not quite sure what this is.
Get that in the video.
Make sure everything's secure. Check it with the level again. Pivot. Pivot. And yeah, sometimes we hit problems.
It's not gonna go past this pole.
Nothing the boys can't resolve. I even put the camera down and helped out myself. Time to secure the frame. It was a very hot day, so also some time to cool down. Time for finishing, filler, sanding, foam filling, preferably not on the camera. Silicone. Pointing. Touching up. And one final clean.
Here as well.
And there we have it, our very own Toddy and Boys bespoke front porch. Thanks again. Join us on the next one.